For years, the Littoral Combat Ship (LCS) program was the punchline of the U.S. Navy. Criticized for massive cost overruns, reliability issues, early retirements, and mission modules that never quite worked. Many called it the little crappy ship. But in 2025 to 2026, the tide has turned dramatically. The Navy has finally found a mission where the LCS shines, mine countermeasures, MCM, and it's proving to be genuinely useful. The LCS itself was designed in the early 2000s to be a fast, modular, shallow water fighter with swappable mission packages for anti-submarine warfare, surface warfare, and mine countermeasures. The mine hunting module (MCM) package was the most troubled. Delays, technical failures, and canceled systems pushed initial operational capability back more than a decade, but persistence paid off. By late 2023, the Navy declared initial operational capability for the MCM package on Independence-class LCS Trimaran variant. The Freedom-class monohull was dropped from MCM entirely. Now the question is, what makes the LCS MCM package work now? The modern MCM suite is unmanned-focused and keeps sailors out of harm's way, like Textron Common Unmanned Surface Vehicle. Tows AN/AQS-20C sonar for mine detection and can carry mine neutralization charges, Barracuda system. Unmanned underwater vehicles for deeper or buried mine detection, MH-60S Seahawk helicopter with airborne laser mine detection system and airborne mine neutralization system. Also, the Independence-class hull provides speed, 40+ knots, a large mission bay, and self-defense. CRAM 57mm gun, perfect for escorting MCM assets in contested littorals. The breakthrough came in early 2025 with the USS Canberra LCS-30 and USS Santa Barbara LCS-32 deployed from San Diego in March 2025 with the full MCM package, and more Independence-class ships are scheduled for forward deployment to 5th Fleet Middle East and 7th Fleet Western Pacific through 2026 to 2027. These deployments are replacing 1980s Avenger-class wooden minesweepers and MH-53E Sea Dragon helicopters, both aging and maintenance-heavy. If successful, the Navy plans to accelerate retirement of the old MCM fleet. The next question is, why this mission finally makes LCS useful? Of course, the dangerous job with perfect fit. Mine hunting is slow, risky, and traditionally done by specialized and vulnerable ships. LCS keeps humans at a safe distance while unmanned systems do the dangerous work. In short, the little crappy ship jokes are fading. In the mine countermeasures role, the LCS is no longer a punchline. It's now finally useful and potentially a blueprint for future unmanned mine warfare.